Hey.
Hey, man. All right, we got a video here. I'm going to show you how to change the accelerator micro switch. I posted a video before this showing that how to diagnose it. But also, I'm going to tell you how it works in the process. The way it works, when you hit the gas, this plunger travels through the ITS, which it might give me a 3/8 socket. I might have it here already, but right here. Nope, one of them. Where's the ratchet at? It goes through the plunger goes into ITS, which is inductive throttle sensor, which is this black piece right here. Let me see here. All right. And what we're going to do, I'm going to show you this here. Anytime you're down here, if you look at this here, and if you'll see any cracks, matter of fact, you can see it right there. Let me show you this. All right, if you look into this here and you see any cracks, one time we was at the golf course, man, and we kept having a bunch of controllers frying, and then we found out a bunch of these had cracks in them, and so we ended up going through there and changing out about 40 of these to ITS, and no more fry controllers. So anytime if you see a crack, man, you can buy them online for around 50, 60 bucks. You can buy a factory one for around 180, 190. But I recommend changing them if you got a crack. I'm gonna call the customer on this one and see if he wants it changed. So I highly recommend it. Or I might put that T-nut back on. And then what we're gonna do is put it back on with a 3/8 socket. Don't over tighten it, man, because it is plastic. And then what we're gonna do here, damn, well, I'm gonna tell you the way it works though. You got this is a plunger. When you hit the gas, it travels through here, and this is magnetic. And when you go into the ITS, the magnetic force or the field speeds this up because it's nothing but a bunch of copper wires in there, so it creates like a little field. So what we're gonna do is change this. All right, Mike, change that. Now some of them now got a T15 in them, or T15. But this one has a Phillips bits. We had to come like this, Mike, so you can see it. So we're gonna take it out. And sometimes what causes this, man, is the pedal, something's wore out in the pedal. So it allows the pedal to come back too far, and then the plunger gets on the other side of the roller here. So what happened is the plunger will get on this side. Let me see a new one. Yeah, see the plunger, the plunger will get on this side of it, so when you hit the gas, it just breaks it. So what we're gonna do is, it doesn't matter how you plug the wires in, all you're doing is making them breaking a hot. About like a light switch. And the same thing with this. It don't matter how you put it in. Then I'm gonna take it and always get one started. All right, get one started somehow. There we go. Tell me it's not important still. Yeah, all right. Where's the screw it? Oh, here it is. All right, and actually, if you look at this here, you can see what I was talking about, the plunger. So something in the pedals wore out on this one. So what we're going to do now is adjust it. I might get me a 1/2-inch wrench. And just bring the wrench straight here. So now what we're going to do is, let me turn this around, you can see it. All right, so we're going to take this here and break this nut here loose. Let's see. And give me, what you got here? Or have me like a 5/8. That might lie to you, man. Give me a 12. But the way we can tell, man, if you listen when you hit the gas, you hear a click coming from the floor. If you don't hear it, then normally that's bad. I've seen before with water getting there. All right, let's hit a 12 here. Also, man, comments below, man, if you need a, if you want me to do a video or anything, let me know. All right, there we go. We're gonna take this here. What size is that, man? Let's see here. Yeah, now we're talking 7/16. What the hell, man? All right, I'm gonna take this back out. I don't want to break the new one off. Let's see here, take it off, twist it. All right, then what we're going to do is take this here, and we're just going to extend it. So you have like you're tightening the bolt up and it pushes it down. Now you don't want to go too far with this, because if you go too far, you'll activate as soon as you hit the gas before the solenoid engages. You will activate the ITS, so your car will jump taking off. So you got to have it where it just barely clears it so it don't break it. And a lot of times too, I've seen some break, man, where people take them and they stomp on the gas pedal real hard, like everybody did when they were kids. I know I do.
Still do.
Still do this day. Cops love giving me tickets. I think I paid for our school, all my tickets I got. All right. All right, man, you can see that there now. Let's see here, hit the gas. Got it. I have it in neutral with the key on. Yep. All right. Slam it down a couple times. All right, man, just like that, man. Simple as that, man. That's how you change it. Now, if you wanted to check it, man, you put your black lead on the main negative. Let's see if I can do it right here. All right, black from the meter long enough. Black lead on the main negative. All right. Then what you want to do, your green comes from your key switch. So I'm gonna turn the key on now. All right. What's up, Mike? What we got? I ain't got it forward. All right, my bad. You gotta have it forward, man. Gotta have it forward. Will put me on the spot, boy. I got the heat on me. Got to hold his mat. What I'm gonna do? Be careful, don't run over nobody. I don't have it jacked up. I'm gonna hit the gas. When you hit the gas, voltage travels from the green wire to the red. All right, you can see voltage. All right. Also on your ITS, black lead on the main negative. You should read 14 volts here. Let's see. Let's see if I got it right. Let's see what we got here. Black lead should have battery, should have 14 volts here. Probably hit the gas. There you go. When you hit the gas, you should have 14 volts. All right. And then when you return, the way it works, you got 14 going in. Then when you hit the gas on the white wire side, you should have 1.5 at full pedal. But I ain't gonna floor it. I don't have it jacked up. Plug it in here and read it wrong because it ain't plugged in. All right. All right, might touch it right there to that terminal right there. Black lead on the main negative. Might hit the gas. There you go. See, you got point. See, the farther I go down with the gas, the more it goes. All right. And that's how you check the ITS. 14 on the black wire when you hit the gas. And the farther you go down, you get 1.5 at full pedal. That controls your speed. All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post more.